What if NASA deep-sea exploration was never just a rumor? What if the real story behind why NASA stopped exploring the ocean isn't that they turned away, but that they learned something down there that changed how we look up? Before astronauts walked on the moon, NASA was already mapping a different frontier, our own oceans. The agency's mandate included understanding Earth, and the ocean was the engine of our climate. In 1978, CSAT proved satellites could read the sea, from wave heights to winds. Decades later, missions like TOPEX Poseidon and the JASON series tracked currents that steer weather and life. Aqua and Terra watched plankton blooms, the base of ocean food webs, pulse across the planet. This was NASA ocean research at scale. Orbital eyes revealing ocean secrets hidden from ships and submersibles. And then there were the analogs. NEMO, the NASA Extreme Environment Mission Operations, moved crews into the deep to train like they were in space. Neutral buoyancy mimicked microgravity. Communications lag, limited resources. The ocean became a classroom for the cosmos. But if NASA could do the ocean from orbit and learn spacewalks beneath the waves, why did the deep suddenly belong to someone else? Then suddenly, they stopped, or so it seemed. The hands-on deep-sea projects went quiet. The ocean passed into the jurisdiction of a new agency, NOAA, formed in 1970 to unify America's ocean and atmospheric science. NASA pivoted hard to spaceflight milestones, Earth from orbit science, and planetary exploration. The boots on seafloor work? Mostly NOAA, the Navy, and research ships. Still, the mysteries called back. Unexplained underwater sounds, like the famous bloop, ignited theories of hidden leviathans and marine anomalies. NOAA later linked the bloop to icequakes, but the lore remained. Upsweep still hums in the Pacific, unresolved. Add the Mariana Trench mystery and rumors of forbidden depths, and a story takes shape. NASA went looking for something beneath the sea and didn't like what it found. The truth behind the curtain often looks like policy, not monsters. Budgets, mandates. NASA was built for the sky and beyond. NOAA for the sea below. But the overlap never vanished. It just moved out of sight. If NASA didn't abandon the abyss, where did the ocean go inside NASA? Here's the reveal. The deep ocean and deep space are twins. Hostile, silent, endless. What survives one can often survive the other. Pressure vessels teach us how to keep humans alive, so does vacuum. Tethered comms in black water rhyme with time-delayed links on Mars. Sonar's logic echoes radar and LiDAR. The abyss didn't end. It evolved into technology. For alien ocean worlds, Europa, Enceladus, even Titan, NASA prototypes under the ice. Buoyant rovers like Buoy roll along ceilings of frozen lakes. Penetrators and cryobots learn to sip energy, navigate in darkness, and taste chemistry without seeing the sun. These are ocean exploration technologies, reborn for other oceans. And from above, NASA never left our seas. SWOT maps the height of the ocean with breathtaking precision, revealing rivers in the sea, eddies that shape climate and fisheries. MODIS and VEERS paint plankton blooms that feed the world. Altimeters track rising seas in millimeters. The unexplored ocean is shrinking, not because we dove everywhere, but because we can now see what we couldn't touch. NEMO still runs. Training still happens in the blue to prepare for the black. NASA didn't stop exploring the deep sea so much as it changed the gear it used to do it. And sometimes, the ocean is the simulation that prepares us for the real thing out there. So what about the forbidden depths? The places no one films. Maybe NASA looked up because the ocean showed them what space really is. A cold, patient wilderness that doesn't bargain. Maybe the ocean's alien life is still ahead of us, beneath ice, on moons with hidden tides. Maybe the deepest mysteries, our ocean's secrets, the unexplored depths, aren't warnings at all, but invitations. The sea and the sky are mirrors. The question isn't why NASA stopped exploring the ocean. It's whether we're ready to follow where both are pointing